Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, today again we here for learning science. I am your science teacher from Mahdi School and we learn about plants as a food. Our lesson number 4 and our today's topic is leaf we eat. So, let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line that the biggest source of motivation are your own thoughts. So, think big and motivate yourself to win. So, if your thinking is small, then you cannot motivate yourself. So, if you want to achieve big, you have to think big. And when you think big, you can motivate yourself to win. So, let's start our today's lecture. Now, what we learn in this lesson? We learn about vegetables, fruits and many other food. So you can see here the pictures of vegetables, fruit and the vegetable which we use in our diet food. So here you can see lemon, radish, red cabbage and many other. So these all are vegetables or fruit which we get from plant. So what we learn today? We learn today about food we get from plant. And our today's topic is leaf we eat. We learn in this lesson that which leaf we eat, that leaves we use in our food, and we also learn that how leaf vegetable grow. So before that, let's revise what we learned yesterday. So let's revise that we learn about stem of the plant which we eat. But in starting, we grow a carrot. So we learned that how carrot grow. Carrot grow from top and we put carrot first in one bowl of water. When carrots start growing, we put it in wet land. So we plug the land, then we put the carrot tops in it and we cover it. But we only cover the tops of the carrot. We not cover the leaf and stem of the carrot. And like that, carrots start growing and we see the root of the plant which grow underground. And carrot is the root of the plant. Like that, all root vegetables grow, that we learned yesterday. We learn that stem we eat. In this, we see the different stem which we eat. We learn that stem is a part of the plant which grow after roots, which we learn in lesson number 3, the world of plant. The example of stem which we eat is sugarcane. You can see black sugarcane here. The strong part of the plant which we eat as a fruit, but it is a stem of the plant. Then we learn parts of the sugarcane. We also use these when we do activity of lesson number 3. Then we learn how sugar can we use in food. We use sugarcane as a fruit in our food. Then we see that we drink sugarcane juice, and we also learn that in summer season so many sugarcane stall in our city. Sugar can also give us sugar, and we learn that how we get sugar from sugarcane in this lesson in next lecture. So here you get sugar from sugarcane. Then we learn another stem of the plant which we eat as a vegetable, and most of the houses we use potato every day in food. Then we see types of potato. There are two types of potato. One which is a regular potato which we use in every meal, and second is a sweet potato. Then we see that how we use potato in food. So we use peeled potato and without peeled potato. We see the food we take with use of potato. It is our street food. We learn that how we use potato in our daily life as a food, as a proper meal also. Then we see the example of another stem which we eat, ginger. And we also use ginger powder. So we learned yesterday stem we eat, that potato, sugarcane and ginger. So you can see the pictures of stem which we eat. So today we learn about leaf of the plant which we eat as a food, and you can see here one leaf, and we learn that how leaf grow, how we use in our food as a vegetable or as a proper meal or as a salad or as a diet food. So we learn about leaf today which we eat as a food. So let's start that how leaf we use as a food. So here you can see some vegetable basket. So first we need to find out that which vegetables are leaf of the plant. So here you can see basket of apple, basket of tomato, basket of coriander, brinjal, cauliflower, cabbage and spinach. So first we find out that which leaf we eat. Here apple. Apple is a fruit of the plant. So apple is not leaf of the plant. Then tomato. No, tomato is also fruit of the plant, and brinjal is also fruit of the plant, which we learn in lesson number 3 that some vegetables are fruit of the plant which we use as a vegetable. So let's find out which are leaf vegetable. So first we circle the cabbage, because cabbage is a leaf of the plant. Now you think that how it is leaf of the plant? It's look like a fruit or look like a flower. So we learn that how cabbage is a leaf of the plant. Then second is spinach. So spinach is also leaf of the plant, and coriander. These all are leaf of the plant which we use as a vegetable. Not every plant's leaf we eat. Some leaf of the plant are poison. So we cannot eat every leaf of every plant. Some leaf we eat only. So here you can see the different type of leaf. Coriander, spinach, banana leaf, and all are leaf of the plant. But we not eat every leaf of the plant. Like banana leaf we not eat. We use banana leaf as a plate, but we cannot eat. So let's see which leaf we use as a plant. But before that, we need to remember that we revise our lesson number 3, that which are leaf of the plant and what they make for plant. So here we see that leaf is a part of the plant which make food for plant with help of sunlight, air and water, which we learn in lesson number 3. So we also call kitchen of the plant. So leaf is a kitchen of the plant. Now you can see here the parts of the plant: leaf, fruit, vegetable, roots, stem and flower. So we learned that in lesson number 3. But today we learn about leaf of the plant. So let's start that leaf we eat. First, cabbage. You can see here cabbage. One picture is cabbage which is in farm, which we not take out from the land. And in second picture you can see the basket of cabbage. So when you take out cabbage from land or soil, it's look like the second picture, which is show you that cabbage in basket. But in first picture you can see that so many leaves around the cabbage, and cabbage is also leaf. So when you cut the cabbage, when you peel the cabbage, you get so many leaf from it, and these all are leaf of the cabbage. So you can see here that different between the cabbage which is in soil and which is in basket at our home. So here you can see the growth of cabbage. First we put seed of cabbage, then it start growing, then leaf start growing. In third picture 3 leaf, then fourth picture you can see that cabbage start growing. So in last picture you can see the big leaf of cabbage. So like that leaf vegetable grow, and they cannot get flower or fruit. So in every plant there are 3 parts always: root, stem and leaf. Some plant not have fruits and vegetables or flowers, but every part of the plant is important and we eat. So here you can see the farm of cabbage, that how cabbage start growing. The root is the underground part of the plant, then stem start growing. You can see the stem of the cabbage, which is very small, but it is a thick, and then leaf start growing. And slowly leaves combined with each other and cabbage start growing as we use in our house. So here is a primary stage of cabbage growing. The leaf of the plant is, you can see here. Now it's a full growth of cabbage. So you can see here, it's look like a flower. When you see the cabbage farm, you think that it is a flower of the plant, but it is not flower of the plant. It look like rose flower. Remember which we grow in one pot like that. Cabbage look like rose flower, but it is a leaf of the plant. There is a huge farms of cabbage, and the plant of cabbage are very small. So when you take out the cabbage, it's look like a flower. Now you can see here another type of cabbage. It is a farm of Napa cabbage, and it is grow in Korea. So you can see here the cabbage, different type of cabbage, and it is a huge or a big cabbage. It's not look like cabbage which we use in our house. Now you can see that 3 different types of cabbage available. First is cabbage which in Indian farms we can grow. Second cabbage is red cabbage, which you can see color in red, which cannot grow in Indian land or Indian soil. So we export this cabbage from other countries. And third is Napa cabbage, and these 3 cabbage are we use in our diet food also. So red cabbage not available in our country, we have to export it. Like third cabbage is also not available, but we can grow it at India. So these are types of cabbage. Green cabbage which we use in our house, red cabbage and Napa cabbage. Now cabbage as a food. So in one picture you can see the green cabbage. In second picture you can see the red cabbage. So these 2 cabbage we use as a diet food. It's help to reduce weight in our body. Use cabbage in fast food also. So here you can see the burger and one sandwich in which we use cabbage. In burger we use green cabbage, and in sandwich we use red cabbage. We can also called it purple cabbage. So we use in fast food cabbage. Then here is a picture of pizza. So most of the time in pizza we use vegetables like capsicum, corn and tomatoes, and the most needed ingredients for pizza is cabbage. It's give good taste to pizza. So you can again see here in one picture green cabbage and in second picture purple color cabbage is the red cabbage. So in our house we make a proper meal from cabbage. So you can see here we eat cabbage in our house with chapatis. So here you can see the proper meal of cabbage. So we not only use cabbage in salad or in fast food, we use as a proper meal also. Now second leaf vegetable is a spinach. You can see here the picture of spinach. In this picture you can see that spinach color is green. So it's help our body to healthy. And spinach make a good blood or purify blood in our body. So it is a very healthy food for our body. You can see here the growth of spinach. It grow as a cabbage because cabbage and spinach are leaf of the plant. So here you can see the from seed spinach start growing. The difference is that in first 2 or 3 picture you can see the leaf of plant is different shape, and last when the plant growing properly, so the shape of the leaf is changed. As we see the picture of cabbage, that first when it start growing the leaf are very big, then it combined with each other and it become a small. Like that in spinach, the first 2 picture we can see the shape of the leaf is different. In last picture you can see the full spinach plant. The shape of the leaf is changed. And spinach also not have flowers and fruit. So it is a growth of spinach in different stages. So here you can see the farm of spinach. It is also small plant like cabbage. So when you grow spinach, first the leaf of spinach is different, and when you grow full spinach plant, it look different. So you can see here the farm of spinach. The stem of this plant is soft. It's not thick like rose plant. Now let's see how we use spinach in our food. So spinach is very healthy food for our eyes also and our skin also. So here you can see spinach into different way of food. In first picture you can see salad of spinach, and second is also salad of spinach, but we use in different. Now you can see here that we use spinach in our food. So we can make a pasta from it, and we can also make a chapatis from it, and it is a very healthy combination with wheat and other vegetable. So we not only eat spinach as a diet food, but we can also eat as a healthy food which give us so many benefits. So you can see here that pasta with spinach. Then we use spinach in our proper meal, in lunch or in dinner. So in our houses we eat spinach in proper meal. Most ofly our house we make a spinach in dinner. So here you can see the spinach dish with paneer, and we eat spinach with rice also and wheat bread also. So it is a proper meal for our body. Now let's see some other leaf which we eat. So in this lecture we learn that green leaf which we eat, it is a very healthy for our body, because green leaf or green vegetable helps our body to making a new blood. So here you can see the example of leaf we eat. It is a coriander. Coriander is also one of the leaf which we eat, which help eyes to sharp. So coriander is a leaf we eat. In lesson number 3 we learn that coriander is a small type of plant. So we can also grow coriander at our home. So you can see here the coriander. How we use coriander in our food, that we use coriander in garnishing also, and we make a sauce of coriander also. So in our house when we make a food, we garnish food with coriander, and we also add coriander when we cook food, and we use coriander sauce in starter. So the uses of coriander, and we eat in our food, you can see here. So second leaf we eat is mint. You can see here the mint. Mint has a green leaf, and we also use the stem of mint in our food. So leaf we use in tea also, and making a sauce of mint. We also use mint as a medicine. In Ayurveda, mint used as a medicine for cold, and it help to improve our breathing. So you can see here the picture of mint. How we use mint, that we add mint in lemon juice or many other cold drinks. It give a healthy touch to our cold drink. So when you add lemon juice with mint, and it help to reduce pain from throat. So mint is very useful leaf for our body. You can see in second picture the sauce of mint, which we use in sandwiches also and other starters also, like cheese ball or many other. When you eat green sandwich, we add mint and coriander sauce in it. So mint and coriander give taste to our food, and we also drink a tea with mint leaves, which help to our body. you can see here the picture of green rice. In this picture, you can see that color of rice is green, which rice get from mint and coriander. So, mint and coriander give natural green color to food. So, if you want to make a green rice or green meal, you add coriander and mint. Not add food color which available in market, because coriander and mint give color to food also, it is healthy also, and it is give taste also. So like that we use coriander and mint in our food. Now let's revise what we learned today. We learned that leaf we eat as a food. We see the picture of vegetables and we find out the which are leaf of the plant. So here you can see the leaf of the plant. Then we see the different types of leaf, but not every leaf we eat. Then we see that leaf as a food in our houses. We see that one leaf tell us that leaf is a part of the plant which make food for plant with help of sunlight, air and water, which we learn in lesson number 3. Then we see the common plant parts and we see the leaf which we learn today how we eat in our food. We see the examples of leaf cabbage, how cabbage grow. So you can see the plant of cabbage. Then we see the farm of cabbage, different type of cabbage, green cabbage, red cabbage and Napa cabbage. Then we see how we use cabbage in our food, in fast food, in proper meal at our house. Then we see the another example of leaf we eat, spinach, how spinach grow, the farm of spinach, how we use in our food spinach. We can drink the spinach juice also. Then how we use in our house as a proper meal with paneer. Then we see the example of leaf we eat coriander, the benefits of coriander, how we use in our house. Then mint, as a medicine we can also use mint, in juice also. Then we use as a natural green color in our food, mint and coriander. So what we learned today? We learned that leaf as a food. And which leaf we learned today as a food? Cabbage, spinach, coriander and mint. So in our house we use leaves of this vegetable. So which are they? Cabbage, mint, spinach and coriander. So I hope that you all understand that which leaf we eat. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.